5 years ago, I was a baker. I used to bake cakes at my home and sell them to people like you. But then I decided to put my beater down and change my weapon. And today I'm here. Nice to see you all. So now I'm here for this. I am a woman who protects you. I am Amna Baig from Punjab Police, Assistant Superintendent, currently working as an STPO in Rawalpindi Police. My journey has a story to it, and the story goes, it's a very stereotypical story which eventually led to this. Meri ammi, we were very small kids. We were a bunch of kids and, a bunch of cousins. And every time we would gather together, 5, 6, and they would be talking about कि हाँ बड़े होके क्या बनना है, and everybody would say कि मैंने बड़े होके doctor बनना है because their father would be a doctor, or they would say कि मैंने बड़े होके एक engineer बनना है because my father is an engineer. And nobody would ever mention the mothers. Nobody would ever say कि मैंने बड़े होके अपनी अम्मी की तरह ये बनना है. I wanted it a bit differently for my kids. I wanted them to say कि मैंने बड़े होके अपनी अम्मी की तरह बनना है. And that was the reason that I decided back then that I wanted to join the police. So another reason was that I wanted to put off my marriage, but which did not work out. I got married last year. My husband is here. Thank you so much for coming. It's about for me, the journey is not just a job. It's something that I've always wanted to do. My father was, when I first told him that I'm going to take the exam, and then nobody believed me that I'm going to clear it because I was one of the most nalayak bachas in my house. Both of my brothers are doctors, and so it was just like, it's like, okay. So when I actually cleared the exam, everybody was like, okay, so this is serious. I told him that police is my first choice. He said, no, and my father is somebody who loves me a lot, but then he still said no. So I said कि नहीं, I really want to do it. And then he emotionally blackmailed me, told me मैं अब तुम्हारी फिक्र करता रहूँगा, field ऐसी नहीं होती. He's a civil servant himself. But eventually, God had his ways and I landed up here. And there has not been a single day when he has regretted me being in police. In fact, when I asked him कि I still have another turn to give for CSS, he's like, नहीं, ये बहुत बेहतर है. यही करो. So there is I was just outside and somebody asked me कि कैसा होता है, how's the feel, how do people treat you, do they treat you differently? Absolutely not. I would not say it's all because, I'm a great person. It's not that. It's just that this career is very empowering. It's very empowering. And also, I would like to give credit to my seniors. They have never gender discriminated against me or my other female colleagues. They believe that we are more competent than our male colleagues, which was a surprise to a lot of people, which was a surprise to me. I have served in places like Gujarat, which is considered one of the most criminally notorious areas of Punjab. And over there, I have worked till 3 a.m. at night, running after, mulzims and doing a lot of other things, which I would not like to talk about. But it's fun, it's a different story every day, it's interesting, and it keeps me going. The times are changing. The times are really changing. It's a picture of my passing out here. You can see I'm leading the dasta of my passing out parade. Things which were so not possible are possible today. When I look at little kids, little girls look at me and look at this, I see possibility in their eyes. I see them seeing themselves doing this in the future, which I'm sure none of you could back in the day. And for that, I'm actually proud. I'm very happy that I'm trying to break the stereotypes, trying to make it easy for the little girls around us. Okay, this is also a picture from Gujarat. Let's not go into the details. This is me running away from my responsibilities. Okay, so let's get to the serious stuff. The stuff, it's tough. The work is very tough. You need a very strong support system at home, without which it is not possible. I would like to give a shout out to my husband, my mother, my family, my mother-in-law, everybody. They have been so supportive. Raaton ko jaake bahir, it's still, we live in a patriarchal society. It's not easy for people to understand that. I've been very lucky with a family like that. But I keep talking about these things so that, eventually you have to pass it on to the kids coming to you or the families that you're going to have. So hopefully this thing would not be a concern for the girls in future. They would not be bothered कि अभी मैंने घर जाना है और रोटी पकानी है. So we are hoping that those stereotypes would change in the next few years. And I'm glad that more women are joining the police. 8 years ago, there was zero representation of police in female representation. There was just one officer. But today we are 37 and the number is growing. And I'm super proud of that. And I hope that we bring positive change to the society. The positive change that we are talking about is this. It's the humility and bringing modesty into the whole profession. The way we are perceived, when I tell somebody that, when I'm not in my gear and I tell somebody that, I'm an assistant superintendent of police, they're taken aback. They go like, it's not possible, where is your tummy? That's one of the questions. So we are trying to break those stereotypes. And moreover, it's just that nobody can imagine that I can be courteous. For starters, they don't believe that a police officer can be courteous. And I believe it's absolutely necessary. I'm a public servant. To serve the public is my duty. I get paid for it. And then the change that has been brought with the women is that more women feel protected. Not just the men, but the women as well. They're more comfortable coming into a thana. So this is a picture from one of the police stations that come under me. And this is me listening to a complainant who came at iftari time. The fruit is not always served. It was just iftari time. So we decided to host her and make her sit with us and listen to her. And it was a good thing. And she told me that I've never done that. Like, she said that no officer has ever listened to me like that. I was not welcome before this. And I assured her that, it's going to be the norm. It would be everywhere now because, more and more good people are coming into the service. So that's our motto and that's what we are trying to tell the rest of the world as well. Okay, so this is when the mighty fall, right? And this is when I have to come back and cook my food because I'm living in a remote area. There is no KFC or McDonald's around me. And my husband is far, my family is far, and this is what I have to do. So this is multitasking at best. And then there is another part of the whole thing where we do a lot of awareness campaigns at school. We are trying to change the perception that is attached with police. We go to school, we talk to kids. That is an initiative of the government itself this time. And we tell them, the police is here to protect you, don't be scared. Even though still at shadis, when the kids are not quiet, the mothers go, ye police wali auntie hai, pakad lengi. I am totally trying to change that. That is not what I want to do. But then again, this is the sort of work we are doing. This is the sort of different, idea about police that we have right now. And this is a shot from elections. We had a long election duty, 36 hours. We went everywhere. We talked to people. We made them secure. It was a good idea. And then finally, it's a picture of me with the kids of a police constable Shaheed. So this little kid, Ali, he told me that, I want to grow up and join the police. And then he had lost his father and his father's brother to police, and seeing such, and the girl as well. So I told him, won't you want your sister to join as well? And then he looked at me and he's like, now I would want to, because before he did not know if it was possible for girls to join the police. And that's the sort of idea that I'm trying to bring. I'm trying to tell people that I can save as well, and I can save quite well. Trust me, right? So thank you so much for having me. Hopefully we'll meet another day on a better platform talking about better things. Thank you so much.